Jayoti Vidyapeeth from its University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology, and the topic of today's session is using digital camera. These are the topics which I have covered in this session. Introduction, how to use a digital camera with Linux, getting photos of your digital camera, best free Linux camera tools, and the camera tools. Now comes to the introduction. Since the advent of the digital camera for end users, hard drives and storage devices have focused the burden of storing more and more images, right? So, this is due in part of the fact that digital pornography is an inexpensive way to take thousands of photos without images processing cost, which encourages the photographer to take many photos at the same time. So, the only current effort is to charge the battery in that camera. Then, if we are talking about the old cameras, then there is no digitization. We just click the picture and we are just to save that data. We need to do whatever your tasks are, whatever your assignments are, need to do in work. Okay, so um, the current effort basically the battery is changed. Okay, now work comes to the working. When a digital camera takes a photo, its image sensor record light from millions of detection zones. So the digital code of the camera converts converts the analog voltage signal generated into a digital representation. Okay, so with many cameras these images can be saved to draw image file, and then after they look like digital negatives which can then play the same role at interest sorry negates with a long photograph. These RAW files generally offer greater color depth than JPEG files but take up much more space. Now comes to the how to use a digital camera with dance. There the days when working with digital gear when um, basically it's the Linux was you can say code that involved finding the which terminal commands are over, and using a digital camera with modern Linux distribution like Ubuntu. You have heard about Ubuntu very much, and it is an extremely simple process. And in fact, the built-in software on Ubuntu and other Linux demonstration is better than environment for this are as follows. Um, like distribution is better than Windows for this, as it allows you to easily do basic photo editing and upload your photos to web services. Now, when you connect your digital camera to Linux using its including USB cable, just like you would on Windows, and you will see a prompt asking you what you want to do. Okay, so you can open a photo management program like Shootwell, including default in Ubuntu. Okay, so and many other use new Linux distribution or open is that digital camera storage in your file managers. Now comes to this screen, getting photos of your digital camera. The screen look like this. First this ask you have interested in medium, so just click on this and then press OK. So this is getting photos of the digital camera. These are the images which you have to select it. Of course these images are captured by digital camera. Now this getting photos of your digital camera. And in this getting photos of your digital camera, of course there are many images, but from computer from where we have to take that image. Okay, so the basic photo editing you can also done. So to edit an image with Shootwell software, locate it in Shootwell library and double click. Okay, now uploading and sharing your phone photos, sorry, and to easily upload photos to a variety of web services, you can also use Shootwell image uploader. And this simply select uh, uh, simply see photos in your library and clicking the publish button. Okay, now best free Linux camera tools are: the Linux offers excellent software for handling raw files for camera, remote control, importing and editing raw data, as well as software for reading, writing and editing camera. And then to give you an idea of idea of the quality of the software available for Unix. So we have compiled a list of 8 useful camera tools, and these camera tools are Digicam, Darketable, EG Photos, Raw Therapies, etc. These are the descriptions besides when your colleague would like to take interest. Okay, so this is all about today's session. This is a question for the practice. Write short note on digital camera.